I wanted to show you a before. I am heading out now to go and pick up the keys. I really love this house.
We're moving our stuff now. It's getting there. It's getting there, guys.
I signed it. I'm no longer a car owner. Aussie wasn't able to take off any time to help me. Morning, people. Good morning, SB Squad. You're probably wondering what's got me in this good mood. Let me tell ya, today is settlement day. I am so hyped right now. I could just run a marathon if I wanted to right now, but I don't want to, so I'm not going to, so don't make me. I can start packing up this joint and everything is still very much there. Literally, we only did one thing so far, and that was clean out our cupboards. That just seemed like the easiest task for me because everything else requires you to move. Anyways, guys, I am going to go and fix my hair and come back later when I'm looking a bit better. Guys, I have finally finished work for the next 2 weeks. I wanted to show you a before. I've already started packing some things in. How exciting, guys! We didn't really have that much because the last couple of weeks I've just been trying to use everything up in the cupboard. Haven't done a shop in a minute. It's kind of crazy because like the house right next door to us is also moving, or they've already moved. Same do same, neighbor. I'm not looking forward to cleaning this up. Not at all. Look how messy it is. It's just like the little itty bitty stuff. Okay, we have so much koko, guys. This is from Becca when he came to Brisbane. We still haven't gotten through the one that Aussie's mum gave us when I went in June. There's no way we could get through how much koko she gave us. She gave us like 30 big blocks, small ones, mixture. We only took 2 of the 30, gave the rest to my parents because they drink it often, and then they gave it out as well. So if you want some koko, comment below. I am heading out now to go and pick up the keys. It was about an hour and a half earlier than we had anticipated. I've just been sitting at home literally doing nothing because it feels kind of pointless without having somewhere to just like jump in the car, go drop it off, come back. You know what I mean? My mind is just not coping with like just moving things around. Anyways, I'm so excited. I wish I could go with Aussie, but he's probably just finishing up work now. So I'm going to go and get the keys and you guys are going to come along with me. How are you feeling right now?
Yeah, it's feeling excited now. We're just moving. The only worst part is just move the stuff, but we're so excited to move our stuff in our new house now.
Yep.
So let's go.
Let's go. Oh my gosh, guys. What's he just set up the video? Oh my gosh, my face is so red. Guys, we are still working. It's 9 o'clock. Oh my gosh, we haven't even eaten, but don't worry. So this is how far we've gotten so far. I'll show you. These are the chairs that I got on Marketplace. We have to set them up still. And then this is the spare room. Oh my gosh, 8 minutes to 11 and we're still going. I am super hot, but look at the progress we've done so far. Well, not there, but over here. It's kind of dark. Hold on, let me turn on the light. Okay, that's a kitchen light, but this is my lounge. So pretty. I'm going to be selling this in about a week's time because my new lounge is coming with my new TV. This TV is going to go into the room. Finally having something to eat. Yum. Just ordered some Asian. Breaking bread, first meal in the house. Got Easter here. Morning, guys. first night in the place, first morning. I really love this house. So I'm just packed away the stuff that we bought yesterday from the pantry. It was a big day yesterday. Went to bed at 2. I had a few calls last night from work and then woke up at about 8. Oh, this hair tie my dad bought me from Gold Coast when we were in Dream World. But anyways, you can kind of tell like I'm still tired because of my eyes. I don't know why the hot water's not working. I cannot get it to work. I remember it happened to us at my other house and all we had to do was turn on the valve, like just switch the valve, and it worked. But today it's not working. It can't be the gas because cooktop is gas and it works. So there's obviously gas to the property. I just don't know why the hot water's not working. It was working when we came for the inspection, but it's not working anymore. And I don't know why. I need to sort that out because I had a freezing cold, everyone had a freezing cold shower. Esther had a freezing cold shower. Aussie had a freezing cold shower. I had a freezing cold shower. But I had to wash my hair. And so my shower was longer. And actually it felt so good afterwards. Like when you're having the shower, you're like hating life. But then when you come out, you literally feel so good. I felt after like the big day that we had lifting and moving and sweating, that cold shower is exactly what I needed. And I felt so much better for it. But I'm not trying to have another cold shower tonight. I want the hot water to work. So yeah, I need to get that sorted. Yeah, this is pretty much like it. We're gonna head back to the old house, maybe get all the small things or even just go to Kmart and get some tubs. That's the problem because I have like a lot of little things everywhere. That's probably what I should have done when I was like during the week. I should have actually started preparing and packing away things, but I didn't know that. So we're probably gonna go to Kmart and get maybe 2 more tubs. Bear slept at the old house by himself. He's just a very particular dog and I just know that he wouldn't have been settled here because we would have had to make him sleep in the laundry because I'm trying to get fur everywhere over here, and especially like we've got boxes and everywhere, like just, and he would literally have a heart attack. Like any new thing that we bring into the house, he's like, he needs to suss it out. He needs to get used to it. He needs to smell it. And it takes him sometimes like a week. Like this ottoman we bought, it took him like a week to get used to it before he could like walk past it comfortably. Yeah, he's just a very funny dog. And I'm just looking around at everything that's in the room and I'm like, he would literally have a heart attack here. Like the boxes there, but like everything's just everywhere. Man, this coffee is so good. Just trying to move the fridge.
Ui. Push. Ai da, vai querer que o tal. Ei, opa. Ai da. Vai muito, opa. Yeah.
Ready? Twist. Yeah. Nice. I'm about to try the new cocoa protein from Boost. Oh my gosh, they remind me of Rumbles. I've been vlogging too much. We've still got so much to do. Look at this, guys. How pretty is this? I really want to try the pistachio oasis. Oh my gosh, the next birthday cake is going to get a cake from here. Now we're really putting food in our belly, guys. Aussie, how's the move going?
Yeah, it's good. Whoa, pretty much done. It's a little bit left there.
Yep. We're like maybe 60% or 70% of the way moving, but the cleaning, there's still a lot to do. So we're having some lunch here at Yaya's, just in Gunners. And I want to show you guys, this is rice pudding. Esther's going to give us the review on how that tastes. I want to show you guys these little balls. They're like little panqueques, honey balls. Some of them got sesame. No, very different to a traditional panqueque, but it's still so good. Aussie, would you like to try a ball? Aussie's review.
You have to hold it like this. If your mouth is not big
Oh my gosh,
enough,
stop it.
if your mouth is small, here. It's big.
Where's the pool?
I have to blow it up.
You might not fit in here.
Excuse me?
I'm working.
What's up, guys? So we are done with the moving stuff. Our feet are sore, legs are sore, arms are sore. Mine especially, because I be carrying more weight than a lot of these people around here. So these feet would be feeting. Anyway, so we are on our way to dinner. We're going to Kingston, Foreshore, Chong and Co. Aussie and I went a couple of weeks ago. It was really nice. We got like a spread of food and we were so full. But tonight, Esther and I are going. My boyfriend over here has taken me out on a date. Aussie's gone to volley. And then we've got piles and piles of stuff at home that I have to get through. But we'll show you guys our food when we get there. I'm probably going to get like a nice drink too. Maybe a mocktail. Our food is here. The curry puff. Hold on, let me have a sip. Let me have a quick sip of this joke. A little curry puffy. Oh, this is yours. You dipped. That's alright. I chose the shank, the Massman lamb shank, then this is the prawn hakam, and we've got our coconut rice just in there. So excited to eat, guys. This is the bomb. We absolutely smashed our food. Oh, there's still some there, and like honestly, the frugal in me is like like looking at that, like, oh my gosh, there's still meat there. Like in this inflation, you gotta eat every last drop of it. Free. Yeah, and that, the rice was free, so girl math. But thank you, Esther, for shouting us dinner. Lovely, lovely girl. So this is the before. Well, we're gonna do it after because I got new lounges coming and a new TV, but before current. Yeah, you know what I mean. Before I put the chairs back on, I want to protect my rug. This is totally not sponsored, but I've been watching so many videos on this. It comes with this gun, right? And when water or spill on it, it actually beads, it doesn't soak in. It's a little bit pricey, but I mean, if you're gonna spend so much on a rug or a couch, it's worth it. And I also forgot to mention that it's non-toxic. We had a bit of a break because we had to go back to the old house. I left some batteries. You need batteries for these things. Half an hour later. So we kind of had to improvise because the machine gun was not taking the batteries I had. So I've got a spray bottle, and I just have to do it manually. Good old elbow grease. Okay, so the rug's all sprayed up. Just gonna wait about 15 minutes for that to dry. It's currently 11:49, guys. Aussie's in the shower. Easter and I are putting these together.
Oh yeah, we're getting wet.
These chairs that I bought off Temple & Webster. So let's see how they look before. We'll show you guys the after. It's 1:30 in the morning. S and I are still awake. I don't know how I feel about these chairs. I thought they would look so much different. This is what they look like. They're kind of like just existing. But this is what we're working with. I absolutely love this rug. Big shout out to Molly Girl for buying this rug for Aussie and I. Her housewarming gift for us. I love you so much, sister girl. Still got all that to deal with at the back. But Esther and I have spent like 2 hours putting these chairs together, and I just don't know how I feel about them. I really don't. Look at that. You should not be able to see that. What is this behavior? Absolutely love my house right now. What a joy. Thank you, Lord. But good morning, SV squad. How rude of me not to greet y'alls. So we went to bed at 2 o'clock last night, and I think it was 2:30 because Samoa was playing Canada. I was so tired. But I woke up this morning with a change of heart about my view on these chairs. I actually really like them. Just take a minute to appreciate them. Soon this couch will look different. So actually I'm still feeling quite overwhelmed with everything that is looking at me in the spare room, just over there, and in my bedroom. But other than that, it's pretty much done. I just need to like find homes for things, and I'm so sore. I just need like a whole day's recovery. I think I need to go to like a day spa or something and relax or get a massage of some sort. Just getting ready for church at the moment. Look at my face. Praise the Lord. Gotta go thank him for this brand new house. Guys, hello, welcome. So we've been home from church for a while. Esther and I went to Sleep Now, met Aussie there. We picked out a mattress. Sleep Now was recommended from my brother and his wife. I was gonna go with Sleeping Duck because our first mattress is with Sleeping Duck. Sleeping Duck is very pricey. Esther and I went to Fantastic. Bought the same bed frame that we have because I love it. Everything's a bit of a mess still, but I've got the next 2 weeks to tidy it up. This is it here. This is a king size.
We're moving our stuff now. It's getting there. It's getting there, guys. Don't worry, it's getting there. Like a mess here, but don't worry, it's getting there. See? Just fixed the bed now. It's king size. And our backyard is so big. My baby boy over there is running around, and his bed is on the grass there. He's just having a picnic up there. If I go picnic,
It's Monday. I still feel so tired. Like I don't feel like my body has caught up with enough rest. I feel exhausted. My body is so sore right now. But I'm about to head off and go and pick up some click and collect items I bought from Harris Scarf and Pillow Talk for the new bed, the king size bed, because our queen, all of our doona covers and sets are all for the queen, and that's obviously not going to fit on the king. So now we have to start all over again, but I'm just going to do it slowly. So I'm picking up one, and like king is the most expensive one. So like, you know, singles, queen, doubles, whatever, you know what I'm saying. That's going to be a lot of fun. But it's been great. Like I just have such a big heart of gratitude the past couple of days, and just like seeing, like I really can't believe this is ours. And it's such a massive milestone. I'm so grateful. You look so cute though. Guys, Darnell here.
Hell no, Charlie.
Cutie boy.
My hair's not in there.
Okay, Daniel's gonna help me run my errands, guys. Can you help me get to Majura?
Yeah.
Yeah, show me the way. I need to go to Pillow Talk out there and pick up my order.
Yeah, looking a bit cute today, ain't that, fam?
You are actually. What's the occasion?
I don't know.
Looking good for your auntie.
Hell no, Charlie.
Shut up! Oi, play some music. So tell them how you been now.
I've been good. God's been doing me good last couple months. Yeah, with the Brumbies and that.
Is it Brumbies training that you got this afternoon?
Yeah, I got an academy, Brumbies Academy.
Yeah, but why are you still going when the season's over?
No, it's like pre-season. But it's like a step up from junior prom views.
Oh, nice. Do you have to close this gate?
Yeah.
I signed it. I'm quite sad, mixed feelings, but I'm no longer a car owner. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. Morning, guys. You know, it's nothing new for me to get up on camera looking like this, but I didn't vlog at all yesterday because I've been so busy trying to clean a house. If you've ever rented and you've done your own exit clean, you know how hard it is. And even though it was such a small place, there's so many tedious little things you got to do, like the skirting boards and the windows inside and out and everything. And I'm just feeling so overwhelmed and tired. I'm dropping Aussie to work. He wasn't able to take any time off, and I've got a truck full of rubbish at the back.
Yeah, fine.
Which I have to take. I don't want to pie. I'm so tired. And now I'm going to the tip. Can't wait. So tomorrow we hand in the keys, and I'll be so much better once we hand in the keys because I'm so done with that house. And I can finally focus on putting away and unpacking our new house.
Yeah, so we're just back to our stuff now. Dropping off me when I first worked here in Australia. She dropped me every time. So now, back to this one.
Because we only had one car. And now we only have one car again. Guys, I've come home because the tip didn't actually doesn't actually open until 7:30. So I came to freshen up a bit, feed my dog, let him outside. Tip didn't open until 7:30, so I'm about to head there now. I feel a little bit overwhelmed because I've never done it before without Aussie. Yeah, but first for everything. So after the tip, I'm going to head over to the old house and change the cleats of the blinds. I bought some from Bunnings. So big day ahead. It's going to be another hot day. So good thing I got the car. I'll come back and let Bear in when it gets starts to get scorchy. And yeah, also, funny story, I was walking around in Bunnings and I was like, why is everyone staring at me? It's like my fupa out or something. And literally, this is why they were staring at me, because they're like, who the heck is that? And it looks like me. Walking around wearing my own face on my shirt. But all of my shirts are in the wash. Like this, if you're an OG subby, you know where this shirt is from. And yeah, I have no more shirts left. They're all in the wash. We haven't been able to do any washing. I'm like, if I could like show you how exhausted I am, like it's such a pick me kind of privilege, but like my body is moving in ways it has never in a long time. Like it has not moved this way in a long time. My knees are so sore from kneeling, wiping walls, wiping corners, wiping windows. I'm so tired. And I remember the last time I moved, I said, I'm never doing this again. I'm going to hire someone. Yeah, well, I can't justify spending like $500 to $600 on an exit clean. So stop complaining, girl. You chose it. So I was just thinking out loud, but Aussie wasn't able to take off any time to help me. So I'm taking one for the team as usual.
I think about you every day and night. A million reasons why I can't get you out my mind. I wish that I could just rewind the time. Cause every time I look around, you're never there, you're never there.
was actually quite liberating. Just finished, so I'm gonna head over to the old house and finish off the stuff there. But that was so much easier than I thought. I was like, I don't know why I was hyping myself up about it.